Hey guys, Aaron here from Aaron Wolf Paws. Yeah, today is actually gonna be a normal vlog day, so yeah. And yes, I'm also gonna have lunch. At 11, I'm gonna go do more of my stuff, so yeah. Yep. Yeah. Gonna fix up my hair and, yeah. And brush my teeth so that way I'm ready for my meeting yeah. So yeah. That's it guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.